day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today I'm discussing to you all about a very peculiar, very. I'm just gonna be starting off with a new book. The book's called JavaScript for Kids. You know, so yeah, chapter one, introduction to programming. So programming the web. JavaScript is a very powerful language that's easy to learn. So, you know, okay. Right. In this chapter, we explain the basics of programming, tell you what JavaScript is, and get started with writing your first JavaScript commands. One of the most important parts of starting any new project is to make sure you have your workshop stocked with all the correct tools. In this chapter, you install and configure all the programs you need and start experimenting with some real JavaScript programs. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is awesome. What is programming? The computer program is a series of instructions that can be understood and followed by computer programming, also known as coding, is what we call it when we write these instructions. Computers cannot do things on their own. So you pretty much don't understand English. Very smart computer, you don't even understand any language. You know, like you mentioned, of course, Afrikaans, English, any language, German, Greek, Japanese, Hong Kong, I'm joking. Any language, they don't understand, right? They don't understand things on their own. They need a computer program to tell them what to do. So they're not very smart, right? That answers the question as to how we're smart and computers always have and always will be. Computer programs write code to make computers do all sorts of things. The woman who invented programming, okay. So the woman here, okay, was one by the name of Ada Lovelace, a mathematician in English. She was the first person to envision computers that could do much more than just crunch numbers. Okay. Throwing computers at the heart of every computer is central processing unit. This is pretty much like high school stuff, the stuff that we learn like school. So central processing unit, the stuff that processes all the data that you put in and output, all the input data that you put in, outputs like information, right? How many bytes is that? Yada yada yada. Choosing a language, okay. So we're gonna get to the chase, which is what is JavaScript. In the early days of the web, every web page consisted of nothing but plain text in different sizes, links between pages. There were no web forms. There certainly wasn't any animation, and there weren't even different styles of text or pictures. We're not complaining. When the web was new, it was exciting to click from page to page, okay? So this is pretty much like different programs that you've got, like Shine Text, right? Interactive Sock Puppet, and you've got programming the web, okay? Right. Okay. Shine Text, yeah. Then open the web developer tools. So after you've installed and launched, so obviously, right, OBS Studio, install that if you want to like stream or record anything that you're doing, and do OBS Studio, VS Studios, and then Chrome. Install Chrome, write more tools, programming tools, install, yada. Okay, so I'll show you now, show you now. So about blank. expect on this loop now. So you got your elements, HTML, head body, HTML, then you got your console, then you got your sources. So for your sources, I mean, if you want to like do simple programming, let's do like simple maths first. So in order for you to pretty much do like simple maths, you actually learn logistics. So if you want to do divide, okay, do divide, then slash to divide for divide by 5. Oh, okay. But forgive me. Forgive me about that though. Alright, okay. So yeah. So for if you want to times asterisk plus keyboard 4 minus do minus. It's pretty much the full work. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. 4 times 7 equals 28. Oh, wow, okay. 4 plus, wow, this is like maths. 4, okay, minus 9. That 4 times, okay, 100 times 18%. So if you want to do percentage, 18 divided by 100, if you want to do a percentage, because that's what percentages are made out of, simple maths, then that's 18, percent. So that's pretty much like programming. So that's how you actually program, that's simple programming. Then yeah, okay, simple programming, then yeah. Congratulations, you just programmed, so yeah, just programmed. Oh, yeah, so that's programming, and then if you want to, let's say for example, I want to do like this. So, cabello plus learning about life, So if you do that, then yeah. So that's how you do it. If you want to like print out, like I said, you put like colons, cabello, right? Then plus colons, space, another colon, plus colons, learning about life, colon, food stop, colon, then yeah, like that. So that's simple programming. So this is just like entry level programming. It's more advanced as you go, you get deeper into it, but you over time you will learn, you will catch it. So yeah, thank you very much, and until next time, take care, God bless.